If you're wasting a lot of money on ads, please listen to this. So, a client comes to us and we really wanted to help him grow his business through ads because he just spent quite a bit of money with an ad agency that did not actually provide any results. Thousands of dollars spent, zero conversions, right? So we felt really bad, but we took on a client, and I have to say the process was really, really difficult at first. For about 3 weeks, we had a lot of issues with the accounts, Google as well as Facebook, but we managed to make it work. Once we did, we started slowly. We were not spending a lot of money on the ads because we know when you do that, you're actually wasting money. So the way we do it is we create a couple of ad creatives and we throw it out there to see what works. Once we see what works, we make more creatives like those looking for new audiences. That is it. It can be simple as that. If you want to learn more of how we do this, just go over to adsgrowthacademy.com. You will learn of many different methods that have always worked for us and our clients. Follow for more.